Hello, this is Jonathan with KECO Body Repair Products. Today we'd like to talk to you about our Black Ice line of tabs. Black Ice tabs is a joint venture with Black Plague tabs. We have our special material, the Black Ice stuff, that we use as the strongest material out there today to use on tabs. Why would you use the Black Ice material? Because it's a very rigid material that has almost no flex when you're pulling dents. The first range that we had was the range with the round tabs or hail tabs and the square, long, rectangle crease tabs that were all smooth. Why are all these tabs smooth? The strongest pull that you can get today is from smooth tabs. It doesn't allow any flex, but also if you glue the tab on the car, on the paint that you're working on, it seals it from the air because of its smoothness. There is no ridges, no dimples, no nothing allowing air underneath when you're pulling. Gives you the strongest pull in the industry today. Why all the shapes? Well, if you look at dents today, not one dent is the same while you're repairing hail, for example. That's why we have the small hail tab range from round, oval to square. And it's up to you to decide what tab you use on the particular dent that you want to repair at that time. The round ones, of course, follow round shapes. The oval ones for the oval ones or the other shapes. But also this new line here, these square tabs have the same dimensions as the round ones, but 25% more surface area gives you an even stronger pull on the same dent. So why all these different shapes of tabs? Like the round one, the crease tabs, or the rectangular ones, oval ones, square ones. There is a very important feature there in technique. All the shape of dents are different. That's why all these tabs are different. But the most important thing is you do not want to place your tab that big that it covers the deepest part of the dent and the crowns or the ridge around it. Because if you do that, you pull up the whole area and not the dent that you want to fix. So the choice you need to make if you use a tab is to place the tab that it is smaller than the ridge or the crown around it. Put the tab in the middle, pull it up that the edge of the ridge has the possibility to move. Because if you use a tab that's too big, you're pulling the whole area up. So make sure your tab is always smaller or follows the shape of the dent, that the edges or the ridges around it have the possibility to move. And then you'll pull up the deepest part and let the edges move, and you'll be fixing that dent so much faster. So, do you need a lot of tabs? Do you need different shapes? Yes, you do, if you want to repair them the correct way. So if you want to know more about all our tabs that we have, all the different ones, go to our website, kecotabs.com, or click the link below and start working those dents.